All right. Top secret is just like kind of a work in progress. Show you how we're coming up with design ideas and just stuff that we do. So the next Circuit Python is Circuit Python 10.
10.
And we want to do like an arcade theme because Fruit Jam, of course, is part of Circuit Python 10. So, I've done like stuff in the past where it's like, oh, there's a snake wrapping around something and Bruce and I work together. Mm-hmm. We'll do mood boards and we'll do some stuff. But we had this idea where like maybe it's like, because Mac OS 10 was like a big deal, but like maybe we do something like really.
But they kind of like dragged that on now for like 15 years.
Yeah, but like maybe we do something like really interesting and retro, like Qbert just kind of came to mind. By the way, at the end of the show, I'll play a little bit of Qbert. Check this out. You're not going to hear this audience well, but this is like an hour and 11 minutes of Qbert.
There's a lot of Qbert. It
just goes on forever.
I remember playing Qbert. I remember I rented the game Qbert for my Nintendo Entertainment System from the local Blockbuster.
Find images online.
Qbert.
And we're like, okay, here's the Qbert poster. Super cute.
What I liked is that it didn't have they didn't have a working language system.
Apparently he's saying, where can a guy get a pair of pants?
Is that what he's saying?
I don't know.
But it's like all scrambled. And so they're like, okay, well, we're just going to make him all scrambled.
Curses, yeah. And
it's actually kind of cool. It's like their failure, it was a success.
Yeah, and I like that this is like, a puzzle game and stuff.
So you like the snake is what you're
And also it's like, Blinka was, it arrived to us and it's like, where did this come from? It's like, well, everything's based on something. I can see that maybe this snuck into like our,
subconscious.
Our subconscious, but I don't know. I don't think so. Sometimes I talk to people, I'm like, have you ever heard of Qbert? And they're like, what's Qbert? I'm like, anyways.
Wow.
So, there's like the couple directions we could go. We could like do like a sketchy thing. This was like more of like a blocky thing. Bruce is working up some designs that kind of modernize the Qbert look. And then I was like, well, let me take our characters and see what it looks like inside that style with some of these AI tools, because we did a project. Yeah. So I'm just like, oh, here's our artwork with this as a style.
It's inspirational. So our designer knows. Yes.
Yeah.
Basically, it's like instead of having them do 10 mock-ups, you do the mock-ups and then.
Yeah, and I feel comfortable doing this with our stuff. It's just like, okay, like this is like Adabot and it's Blinka and it's Smokey the Blue Smoke Monster. And it's like, okay, I was just playing around with ideas and seeing how it looked. And then I was tossing around in Acorn. I don't use Photoshop right now, but I was just like, okay, let me figure out like what this looks like and some ideas. So, anyways, this is a little behind the scenes of what CircuitPython 10 might look like. But this is where I've thrown around some pixels, but we like Qbert. Okay, let's get out of top secret and then go to the